Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to set up your new beats. So we're going to sync them up with this iPhone. Now it doesn't matter which iPhone you've got, it's going to be the exact same thing. Just make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, and that's about it. So first of all, let's just take out these stickers. Now these tell us what each thing is. So up here will be for your volume. This, you can take calls or pause them as well, and you can play. On this other side, you're going to see your charging port and your sync button. So that's our sync button here. That's where we charge our beats. So right now we're just gonna go on and sync these two up. So on our beats, before we even turn on our iPhone, let's just press the sync button. So that's right here. Just hold on to it and keep holding on to it until you see those lights beeping like so. Once you do that, go to your iPhone. And if you don't see anything right away on your phone, you should go to your settings and turn on Bluetooth. And if we're going to our Bluetooth option right away, finally, we're getting this, beats. Let's just connect. And right now they're just gonna connect up. It's gonna be the exact same thing if you guys have, for example, an iPad. Exact same instructions. And no matter what color of beats you've got or iPhone you've got, same instructions as well. Right now this will tell me the battery life. Just press done. And we're actually all done right now. We can just play music and we're gonna hear it here. And we can control the volume and everything from our beats. We can even stop the songs, play songs just from here. We don't actually need to touch the iPhone anymore. But anyways, that's how you guys can sync these up at any time. If you want to sync this up to something else, it's gonna be the exact same process. And let's say you guys want to switch up. So maybe it's already synced up between two things. So right now, maybe I'm playing music from my iPhone, but I have my iPad, I want to hear it. I don't have to resync it. I can just go into my settings on my iPad. I can just click on my beats and it's gonna hook up right away. But anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.